With solution-focused therapy, questions are asked. They are also asked at the beginning of therapy on the different ways the client has tried to resolve this type of problem before. Miracle questions are asked to help the client think of what their future will look like when the problem they came in for is gone. When solutions are found for the problem that is affecting their life, their future will not be the same. The client is able to create their own vision of what they want in their future, instead of stressing on how their present problem is affecting them. Scaling is a very helpful technique to use with clients in order to change the way they perceive the situation they are in. By helping the client break down the problem in achievable steps, they will become more empowered to let their emotions stop controlling the outcome, but instead allow reality to help create solutions. When asking clients miracle questions, they may feel uncomfortable because they have to think outside their normal thinking. Instead of problem thinking, they have to focus on positive solutions. Clients that come in for therapy have the ability to see things the way they are, but at the same time, asking miracle questions allow the clients to use their imagination to create the outcome they want. By exploring exception questions, the therapist is able to see if the client has ever solved a similar problem and found a solution on their own. The most likely hold their own answer to their own problem they came in for. They just need assistance figuring out how to implement it. Also, asking the client how they are able to resolve that problem will show them that they are able to create a solution through their own actions. Scaling questions are asked so the client can see where their problems lie on a continuum. This helps them track their progress throughout therapy. At the beginning of the sessions, the therapist will ask the client where they feel they are on a scale of 1 to 10, being not the most desired and 10 being the most desirable. No matter what number the client says, the therapist will want to explore that number and why they feel that number fits. In solution-focused therapy, the therapists do not label their clients in any way. By doing so, they would take away time and effort focusing on the label versus to what really is going on. The clearer their goal is at the beginning of the therapeutic relationship, the smoother it will be to measure the progress that is being made. When clients come in for therapy, they already have the tools they need to help with their problem. They just need to find other positive and useful solutions to them. The way the therapist and client talk about the problem and ending goals helps to form the reality that can be achieved.